Which allotransplant does not require long-term immunosuppressive therapy? Kidney, pancreas, parathyroid, liver. Out of these options, answer is parathyroid. Because parathyroid cells does not represent strong antigen presenting cell on their HLA typing. So these parathyroid allotransplant can be done easily. For auto transplant using the sternocleidomastoid muscle because it's already open in the thyroid surgery. In allotransplant, we are using the brachioradialis muscle because in brachioradialis we can do the allotransplant in local anesthesia. So answer of this question is parathyroid. In general, parathyroid transplant can be considered in three distinct mode of application. First is fresh parathyroid tissue autotransplant during thyroidectomy in order to reduce the risk of permanent hypoparathyroidism. Second is cryopreserved parathyroid tissue autotransplantation in patients with permanent hypocalcemia. Third one is parathyroid allotransplantation in patients with permanent hypoparathyroidism when cryopreserved parathyroid tissue is not available for grafting. Nowadays, allotransplantation of cultured parathyroid cells without immunosuppression should be taken into consideration in selected patients as alternative to calcium and vitamin D3 supplementation in management of permanent hypoparathyroidism. So, for permanent hypoparathyroidism, there is a lot of option for management of this in cases of total thyroidectomy. For auto transplant, we are using sternocleidomastoid muscle because that muscle is already opened up during your surgery. During allo transplant, we are using the brachioradialis muscle, that is very superficial muscle, so that we can put the thyroid tissue in the parathyroid tissue in the brachioradialis muscle in local anesthesia even. So these are the for auto transplant sternocleidomastoid muscle. For allo transplant we are using brachioradialis.